Is not there.
He was not there every
Huh?
Who was not there.
Who was not there and he is to.
No, but he was not there in the last lecture also.
Yeah.
He is coming to school.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He
Yes, sir. He was there.
Huh?
He is coming. He is fighting and then is not coming.
Fighting
Fighting.
with whom?
That's our class is the stronger. In school, it's
Fighting.
yes, the stronger.
Really fighting or time pass?
Really.
And over there, here he is
Sir, I did the.
not coming over here.
went out of homework.
Other than he was signed already.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can't you have done the homework?
One sir.
One come here.
I did all the sums.
I can't you have done all the sums or what? What is one?
Where is now? Where could I will try again.
What happened? What is your problem? You are the you have done the homework? No. Why?
Actually, I didn't NEPS there.
Huh?
I was sleeping and
So sleep now.
At the time
Now also sleep. Honestly, why you are online?
Sir, I'm in home only.
Then why did you come over here?
Sir, because my scholarship classes are also there.
Acha, the scholarship classes is going on. Antara, are you there? Huh? She's answering. She's not answering questions. Who? Hello? Unmute.
Yes, sir.
You're there now? Then why video is off?
Sir, my father's call came, so I was talking to him.
Call father's call.
Okay, now no more calls now. Okay, chalo. Now, all of you listen now.
No,
All of you listen. You are not going to listen. Yeah. Chalo. Kansha, you are not done any harm. How many sums are done? Why? Reason. It's high time, I think maybe I have to call back. Last class also you all said, sir, we will do the sums.
So I did
How many sums you have done?
all.
How many?
All.
Gauri,
So all the
Done.
four parts, 7 or 4 minutes.
how many sums are given to you?
6, 7. From that I did 3.
Now listen now. Work is over now. Hello, what is going on there? Okay. Hello. Whatever the questions are given, this today onward, this is the rule. Now I will strictly this I am going to follow. Okay, one sum, half one, it is still going on. Okay, you what are you doing at home? Other than studies, you do something. What do you do? Cooking.
No.
Then, other than studies, what do you do at home? Tell me what work you do. Tell, no problem. If you are helping your mom, if you are doing something or something is there, tell no, don't worry. Say helping is not a bad thing. You are doing anything, any housework. Then other than studies, what do you do? Are if you are speak
Nothing.
nothing. So you have a lot of time to study now. Is there anyone who is busy with other than housework, other than studies? Any other work? Yes.
Completing.
That is called studies. Other than your studies.
A little bit.
Huh?
Helping.
Helping your mother, how much time you have? Huh?
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours, what help you do? What help? Tell me, how what the one help?
Then back.
But even now, today, what help you did?
Today was my.
Okay, yesterday, what help you did?
It's not my.
Then day before yesterday, what help you did?
It's a big only.
So then when mommy is there, what do you do? What the one help is that, sir, I'm doing this work. There are a lot of people do a lot of housework. Some help in cooking, some help in washing the utensils, some for this one, take the clothes, putting the machines, or folding the clothes. You do anything?
Folding the clothes.
Or spreading the clothes.
Spreading the clothes.
So whatever work is there, you have study time is there now. All of you, any problem? Dania is busy. What is this? Don't do this going.
No, sir.
Snehal and Stan. What is going on both of you?
Sir, I did outside.
You have a doubt. Doubt is over now. The doubt I will explain. That's doubt only. No? I will explain. So then what is going on there? Exchanging offer and all.
No, she has
You are
done
ready?
that.
Oh.
Questions are steady habits.
Today onwards listen. I need to see daily basis 5 questions. If it is I have given 5 questions as homework, then total another 5 more questions. Now, after 5 questions, I did only 1 question, means don't come, I did 1 question. Remaining 9 questions, take from somewhere and do it. Is it clear? You're feeling hungry?
No.
Then put the hand down. Hand down. You are doing all this and you also started.
What?
Yeah. Now, what do you do? Put the hand down. You people are, what is the age you people know now?
Yes.
What is the age?
14.
14.
Sir, remove the 4.
Yeah?
Remove the 4.
So 4 years.
Once
1 year.
remove the 4, then you
1 year.
10 years.
Hello? Next you get one slap from me, okay? First and 30. So, is it clear? My statement is clear?
Yes.
Whenever coming 10 sums should be there. If I give 5 sums, another 5 sums. If I give 5 sums and I could do only 1 sum, 9 more sums from somewhere. Agreed, all of you?
Yes.
Hello, all of you?
Chapter or that particular?
Any chapter,
Minimum 10.
10 sums, minimum 10. Yes, 10 or more, no problem.
Any chapter, right?
Huh? Any chapter means always don't go to the 1 chapter, compound interest saving. Continue with the different chapters. What first thing is my homework, then the other chapters. The chapter selecting is either that chapter is for UT test is there or chapter is for school test is there. That way select the chapters. Okay. This okay, doubts you tell me. Now, by the way, one more thing I need to ask you. Congruence and all, you know, different tests of congruence, how to take the triangle congruence. And we were discussing a lot of here. This triangle is congruent, this triangle. All of you know or does not know? No response. And do you know when do we say 2 triangles are congruent? We are done now. Different test of congruence, you know.
Yes.
Okay, which are different test of congruence?
SAS.
Okay, so and CPCTC on all properties, you know how to apply SAS.
Yes.
To identifying the triangle congruence, all of you know. 2 people said, decide. Snehal, do you know? There is something on here. I think since long time you're looking there and don't worry. Listen now here. What is going on? Actually, you wanted to wear the mask. What is wear? Okay, happy now. Happy? Okay. Do you know how to identify the triangle congruence? All of you? Okay, don't tell sir later I don't know how to take the congruence and all. Because when I was explaining the neural, they said we don't know how to take the triangle congruence. We are not studying congruence. That's why I'm asking. I said all Kargar my students knows, but I did not tell they don't do homework. I'm giving punishment to them. So same punishment I have to do it over here also now. Kachi says, okay. Huh? You never said? I have seen these there. Okay now. What is the doubt? Who has a doubt? Just you tell the doubt. We check the check. It's 9.1. We are done with this exercise 9.1.
Yeah, but like, I hadn't done it.
So you are doing it. You are reading. Think 9.1. Homework what is this? Okay. Then what is the problem? Are they congruent? They are asking, isn't it? So first, there are 2 triangles are there. Which are
Are they complex? Yeah, got it. Change the condition of competition.
Over your problem. Are you problem solved now? And then your problem is solved.
Yeah. Right.
So that is the same. Now, any others having a problem? Any others having a problem? Yes, where is your problem? 9.1, any problem? 9.2. Today, nicely slept and come now? Hmm?
Yes, really.
Really? Study to will do it. And you. Yes. Well, where? Which exercise? Which one?
I was so 9.2,
That is the no.
Sir, I can solve it.
Homework exercise 9.2, question number 8 question. Yes, read.
PQ RS is a parallelogram, L and M are points on PQ and S are respectively, such that P is equal to MR, show that L and M will rise.
So,
So can I?
PQRS. What PQRS is a parallelogram? Where is L?
L and M are points. L is the middle point at SR. So we have
PQ
to
and
draw straight SR.
oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, yeah. L is on
L and
P down.
PC.
and M.
SR.
SR such that
PL is equal to MR.
PL is equal to MR. Now middle point, okay, not necessary. Understood? You are drawn where it is given the middle point? No. It is not a middle point, okay? You cannot take it as a midpoint. There is no midpoint property will be applied over here. Okay? Yes, then what you have to prove?
Show that L and M Q is bisected.
LM and
QS.
QS bisect each other. Means T is the midpoint of SQ and this one bisect each other. Understood? Huh?
How about P?
Bisect this. I took the point as T. You want to take some other point?
I have P.
P is already here now. How can you take two P's?
That's fine.
So,
P dash.
okay. Sachi will there. This is also Sachi. This is also Sachi. So in your page, there are a lot of alphabets are there. Why P dash what? PQRS only the P.
You already wrote P. So
Understood or not? No, don't take P dash and all. Take another letter. If you don't like T, you tell one letter. I will write.
P. Sorry.
Okay now. Sure. Now you have to prove that bisect each other means you have to prove LT is equal to MT and ST is equal to QT. Understood or not? Oh, QT. QT. Okay. To get this one, the condition is given these two parts are equal. If anyone can
PL is equal to R.
huh?
I've given the PL is equal to R.
If now PL is equal, okay. You have to prove these two triangles are congruent. How will you prove congruent? Do you know? First condition says this will prove.
I'm saying STM and LT2 alternative.
Look here. You have whenever congruence means one pair of sides should be equal. Check which pair of side is equal.
LP and PQ and PL
Which are the two triangles we are taking? These are the triangles are
Triangle F, triangle FRQ and triangle QP.
I take a triangle LQT and a triangle MST. Yes, which side is equal? Those who know how to raise the hand. Yes, how did you tell me? Reason of the tell. Yes, tell.
Okay, so we know PQ and SR are equal because it's a parallelogram, so the opposite sides are equal. And MR and PL are equal, which is given. Hence, we'll subtract PQ and SR from PQ and SR, PL and RM, which gives us LQ and SM, and hence LQ and SM are equal.
Have you followed all of you?
Yes.
Okay, since PQ and SR are equal, PL and RM are equal, therefore
minus-
their balance difference. PQ minus PL will be equal to
SR minus RM.
So two pair of angles, one pair of sides are equal, then vertically opposite angle and alternate angle. Therefore, by areas, then these triangles are congruent. Therefore, CPCTC, you will get LT and MT are equal, UT and ST are equal. Okay. Very good. Okay, followed. Sachi, that midpoint will not be taken, okay? You can.
No, I got B, that's the reason.
Okay, now
Steps are right, but.
steps are right. No problem. Okay. Okay, now, any others having any problem? Any others having any problem? Quickly tell, no problem. Which all questions we have from the class one?
11, 10, 11. So then questions are right. So 7 questions, 4 parts. 6 questions. 7 questions.
Are you class work I am asking?
We have 11 and 12. 11. Nay, there is no.
Then we are done.
So,
Then 2 parts we have. Then we will flip the third and fourth part.
Sir.
Third part and fourth part, you what should I do? Yes, who
sir,
is that? Anasri.
this eighth question is congruent by ASA.
Eighth question. Victor. This
Yeah.
one you have to take which one? Why both of the videos are off? It is coming here, you can, if you take this and this are equal. And if
Yes.
these two are equal,
Yeah.
then, who is the talking there? These two are equal, then it is not ASA, it is AAS.
Okay.
Suppose if I take instead of these two, I take this and this, now it is ASA. Are you followed?
Why, sir? No.
Or if this is side two angles.
Yeah.
This is side two angle, then it is ASA. So it is depends upon the situation, understood or not? Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
it can be ASA or AAS, whichever it can be done. Problem is solved. Okay, 10th question.
Done,
You
sir.
have
Done, sir.
done. Those who are not done, do it, and if not followed the part, other part, you tell me, I'll explain. Okay. 11th question.
Actually,
Janvi is supposed to that is
let me-
Janvi, read the question, Janvi.
In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC, AD is perpendicular to side BC, and CE is perpendicular to side AB. Prove that AD is CE.
AD,
Is equal to CE.
AD is equal to CE. Okay, keep the book over here. Come here. I'll draw the figure. You can write. In triangle, Gauri, tell me. In triangle ABC, what is
AB is equal to BC.
AB is equal to BC. These two parts are AB is equal to BC. Okay, then
AD is perpendicular to side BC,
AD is
and CE is perpendicular to side AB.
C.
We have to prove that AD is equal to CE.
You have to go follow what all conditions are there. We have to prove AD is equal to this is V1. Okay, to prove. What to prove?
AD is equal to CE.
AD is equal to C. Who is talking there? This Tanya is talking today too much.
Sir, I'm not talking.
Then what are you telling?
I didn't tell anything.
Then who's talking? No, it is taken as. Look. Triangle ADB and triangle. It is ADB and not CED. It is CED. 90 degree will come off middle now. See, D is 90 means. Okay. Who is this? Tell. AB is equal to BC. Okay. Then 90 is there now.
Yes.
right? Angle ADB
Angle.
equal to angle, which angle 90 degree? Look at
ABC.
ADB.
CB.
Oh, right, CB. 90 degree. Now, one common angle in these two triangles. This is the triangle, and this is the, which is the common angle. B is common in both the triangles now.
Yes.
So right, angle B is equal to angle B. Now, right, which two triangles are congruent? Right, first is triangle ADB is congruent to. You have to write in order triangle. Now look here. If it is writing this one, is it the same thing or not? Check. D is 90. B is not 90.
It should be CB.
Arey, let us find out now. I will call you over here, you will do it. Okay now? So D is what? 90 degree. Is it or not?
Yes.
Then what is 90 degree correspondingly? Which one? E. So the last letter should be E. So change it as EB and check. Is it coming or not? Now check. C and B same. Automatically comes. Okay. Which is the property applied?
ASA.
ASA. Are you sure? AAS. Two angles and a side. Okay. Therefore, CPCT you apply. AD is equal to CE. Equal to CE. CPCT. That will be good. Understood, all of you? Okay. Very good. Okay. Then that is the question number which one? 11. Question number 12. Was on Kanchana. Ranveer. Question 12. Go and do. Hello? Huh? Go and do it on the board. Where is you holding? Actually,
I am not.
so you are not done and come.
It got lost.
Good. So very good. Did you check in the office? This captain you forgot and go?
Office where?
Yeah, office here.
Yes. Oh, no.
No, that is my work. So means not nothing is done. That's an extra assignment where from where you do the work and come. Otherwise, I throw you out of the class and parents.
I will ask for
I am telling everyone, I will, if the homework are not done means I will make you to stand over there, go down, call the parents. When I meet the parents, then only I will set you. She is there actually. So what are you going to do then for homework? Will
check it at once.
I need to see the homework, that's all simple. Yeah. Those who are Antara and Manaswi next class, if you're not coming, do the homework and get signature from the parents.
Okay.
If not done with, then I'll call the parent online.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo. Question number 12. Akansha, read the question and come and do it on the board.
In the following figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle in which QP is parallel to AC. Side AC is reduced up to point R so that CR equal to B. Prove that QR bisects.
Triangle ABC is an, first of all, equilateral triangle. Okay. What is going on there? This.
So she asked me which one.
These two, I'm making this one corner and this one diagonally opposite. Then you done this way. You know which chapter we are in?
Yes,
Which chapters?
on the wrong page.
So you got the page. Have you seen the figure from it? You people try to get, who got the answer? Sir. will do. No.
So we prove that PQ and
Hello.
CR are congruent.
You got the answer?
No, I'm trying.
So
Also bisect.
no, bisect, you don't know what is it. ABC is equilateral triangle. QP is parallel to AC. That is the first condition. AC. So one more condition is there. CR is equal to
BB.
BP. CR and BP are equal. These two are parallel. Is this point? It's not clear.
M.
M.
Q.
Huh?
It's that one. Q.
And this is
M.
okay.
So what is bisection?
Yeah.
What is bisection?
Prove that QR bisects PC. Means you have to prove that these two are equal.
Yes. So that will be proof of different equivalence here.
And you proved,
I can. But
then-
I have to write.
you have to prove PM and CM are equal. What do you have to prove? You have to prove that QR bisects CP.
AM and CM are equal.
You have to prove it. Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Who got? Okay.
Like I haven't written, but I have it in my mind.
Archit also got?
PQ and
You got it?
just trying.
Tanya got it?
So I'm just trying to put it. I know.
Anyone?
We'll
Are you
do
clear?
complete by yes.
Tell, explain.
Okay. So angle PMQ is equal to CMR by alternate interior angle.
PMQ and CMR are the alternate interior angles. These two angles are called alternate interior angles.
But sorry,
Opposite.
vertical.
Vertical opposite.
Yeah, vertically opposite angle and angle PQM is equal to angle CRM
Hmm.
by alternate.
Hmm.
And hence QP is equal to CR, which is given.
Where is your QP student here?
QP is parallel to AC. No, it's CR is equal to BP. No, CR is equal to BP. Sorry. No. Yeah.
Done? Over.
No.
Anyone got?
You.
Huh?
Is alternate.
I don't S. AS.
BPQ.
Then
PQF.
Come to triangles too.
Huh?
Yes.
Tell na, fast, tell.
Let's take
PQP?
PQF.
Let her tell. What do you want to tell? You want to tell something? Nothing to tell.
It is alternate.
Which are the two? Hello?
Ah.
Which are two triangles you have to take congruent?
So PQM and MRC.
That is the thing one is telling and listen all of you. What is triangle ABC?
equilateral.
What is this angle? 60 degree. What is this angle? 60 degree. These two are parallel to each other. What will be this angle? 60 degree or not? Corresponding angles. These two are parallel means. So two angles are 60 means what will be the third angle? 60 degree. Therefore, this triangle is which type of
Equilateral triangle.
equilateral triangle. Therefore, these three sides are equal. Therefore, this is equal to this one. And already this and this are equal means these two are equal. Now vertically opposite angle, alternate interior angle. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by AAS test. CPC.
How come AS?
Have you seen one angle? Have you seen second angle? Have you seen these two sides? Two angles and a side.
Second angle.
These two angles PQ, huh?
Result.
Do you know what these two lines are parallel? When two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal.
Yes.
Are you followed, all of you? First part, you prove this is an equilateral triangle, so that PQ is equal to BP. But BP and CR are equal, therefore PQ is equal to CR. Are you followed? Yes or no? Should I give the steps? So right. Angle B is equal to angle B is equal to 60 degree. Okay, next angle BPQ is equal to angle BCA is equal to 60 degree corresponding angles. Therefore, in triangle BPQ, angle BQP plus 60 is equal to 180. Angle sum property applied. Therefore, angle BQP is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, triangle BPQ is equilateral. All angles are equal. All angles are 60 degree. Okay, you got all angles 60 degree. This much is clear.
Yeah.
Wakansha. Tachi. Who? Snail. Don't worry. No worries. Good. Therefore, BP is equal to PQ. You know why BP is equal to PQ? Opposite sides. But BP is equal to CR. Given.
Equilateral triangle.
Should I write? It's already written now.
Yeah.
Therefore, PQ is equal to CR. Now take the congruence. In triangle PQM. Honestly, are you following? And the triangle CRM.
Yes, sir.
Antara, are you there?
Yes, sir. I am there.
Are you following?
Yes.
PQ is equal to CR. We proved. Angle PMQ is equal to angle CMR. Particularly opposite angles. Angle PQM is equal to angle CRM. Alternate interior angles. Okay, therefore triangle. Which one? PQM is congruent to triangle. CRM, order is correct or not? Check, are you getting PQ is equal to CR, M is equal to M, Q is equal to R. Yes. Reason? R. Yes. Therefore, PM is equal to CM. C, P, C, T, C. Kancha, what is the meaning of CPCTC?
Corresponding parts.
Congruent triangles are congruent. Okay. Hence, QR bisects QR bisects PC. Even if they are bisect each other also, the other part will be equal, but they do not have. You could have learned set grid and curve. You could have done and curve. Your brain doesn't work at home. Yeah.
Somewhat right.
Somewhat right, you could not get the PQ and PQ and CR are equal directly, then there is nothing to do. Okay. Now next time we can get now.
Yes.
Okay now. Chapter over. Homework is.
Homework exercise also over.
Homework exercise all of you done. Now, all of you stand up there.
So you can give it hope of
Huh?
that is another question.
All of you stand up. I hope all of you followed this whatever we have done. Next class when you are coming. All of you listen here. Exercise 9.1, how many questions are there?
10. 10 questions. 10 questions.
So 10 questions.
I said he was playing.
No, actually I kept it as.
Let it be there. I know where to go, some part is missing from there.
Yeah,
So exercise 9.1, how many questions are there?
10.
10 plus
10 plus
10 plus common also 9 plus
9,
10
9,
plus
8, not
plus
18. Sorry,
5, 8. Hello. Oh. Then exercise 9.2.
Exercise 9.12.
20.
12 plus 8. 20.
20.
This all we are done now.
Yes.
All the questions are done now.
Yes.
Okay, let's revise that much and come.
So
Nothing
we
else.
just need to
Huh?
write.
Hurry, this is no need to do. I should revise and come. Understood?
Test.
Yeah. Huh? I will ask question. I am going to conduct a small test on this to a 13. I will give question from here on. Nothing else. We have done all the questions now. Huh? हो जाएगा तो हो जाएगा sit down दोस्तों please sit down work and go sit down sit down next class what I am telling the classwork and homework only nothing else now when is the next class you know this today is Wednesday means Friday is which day what today Friday is the birthday huh?
So,
what
what
is that?
So, we didn't test going on. So, can we just keep exam on Monday because we're having an exams.
What exam on-
School.
Huh?
Monday we have, today we had maths. Yes. Compound interest.
Sit down all of you.
Everyone else.
Okay Monday we will keep the fine now
Yeah.
okay then
3 days for practice. 3 days. Saturday,
not
Sunday.
in the cancer
Friday.
No, she's telling no. Then sit down. Why are you standing? Now, why are you standing? Stand here. Okay. So, when we say, okay, this means you please, Arya, let me know whether I am not telling anything new to do. There is anything new to do. No, so this is what we have done, just revise it. I don't need you people to do and show to me anymore. Yes, I read the first question, I know. Second question, I know. That means you can do now. If you don't know what, okay. So this means okay. Now we have finished this job. One of the geometry chapter. Geometry chapter is little difficult is there, but this is the basics of geometry. If you know this chapter, means next chapters will be easy. Next chapters will get easier. Okay, understood. So which is the next chapter for your in your school exam? It is there.
Yes.
Yes, no. So right that this will be already quite a lot of properties we have explained so then it will be right. Chapter heading right. All of you write the chapter heading. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Written isosceles triangle. You know the spelling of isosceles. Tell me. What is spelling of isosceles? Very good. You know what is isosceles? What is it?
Two sides are equal, two angles are equal.
Which are the two angles?
A
These two angles. Down.
This two sides are.
There is huh?
At least I know equal.
If two sides are look here.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, listen now. All of you listen. What she said is correct. If two sides are equal, there is no isosceles triangle. Even three sides are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. But if three sides are equal, it is an equilateral triangle. Means all equilateral triangles are isosceles. But all isosceles triangles are
Not.
what Sachi said is correct.
Sir,
Okay.
that side was also correct.
First, Sachi said is correct or not? People will not acknowledge.
Knowledge.
Okay. Okay. So just remember this majorly, a triangle with two sides equal. Okay, and two angles equal. Which are two angles equal? Angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, all of you know what is angle opposite to equal sides. Gauri doesn't know. Oh, Gauri. Oh, Gauri is sleeping in my class. Somebody shouted at you. Why did you shout at her?
No.
He's so sad.
Yes.
What happened?
Don't know. And bad.
What happened? Hold fine, don't worry. Mommy shouted.
No.
Each friend shouted. You will get good food today. Mommy is not making good food, that's it. Okay, what is the angle opposite to side AP? See, what is the angle opposite to side BC?
BC.
Yeah. What is the side opposite to angle A?
BC.
BC. All of you know that much. Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of base angles of an isosceles triangle?
Yes.
Base angles
Angle A,
of
BC
an
and angle is.
Listen carefully. What is the meaning of base angles of an isosceles triangle? Those who know, raise the hand. One knows. Yes, tell me.
These two are the angles.
These two are not base angles. Do you know what is the meaning of base angles of isosceles triangle? Means the equal angles.
These two.
It is not
Yeah.
these
So we
two.
have to draw.
Because they two are all.
Now, what are the base angles?
B,
Yeah,
A,
AC.
C.
So, don't tell only these things. These people.
Yes.
Base angles means what is the
In
meaning?
this way.
Array, listen now. Don't mark always these equal. Immediately look which are the equal sides. Okay. What is the meaning of base angles?
Sides.
Equals. Just remember equal angles or side angles opposite to equal sides. Okay. Equal angles. You know what is the isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal and two angles are equal. These two angles are called base angles. Do you know what is the name of the third angle?
Third angle.
It is called.
Scalene.
No. What is the third angle of the isosceles triangle? What is scalene triangle? All three sides are unequal. It is called vertical angle. What is the third angle is called? Vertical angle. The unequal angle is called vertical angle. Are you followed? Base mean what is the meaning of base of an isosceles triangle? The
BC.
base means the unequal side.
Yes.
Okay. If you have followed all of you, later when I ask, don't show this and all. I repeat once again. The equal angles are called base angles. What is the meaning of vertical angle? There in what do you mean by isosceles triangle? Two angles are equal means the third angle is not equal now. That is called the third angle. I think you forget now. Now listen now. Okay, so understood now. So third, which the unequal angle means two are equal, other one is not equal to these two. That is called the vertical angle. Okay. Base means unequal side. Two sides are equal now. The third side, the unequal side. If two sides are A and this is A, this is A. Therefore, this is the in this figure, which is the base? AC. What do you mean by base of an isosceles triangle? What is the meaning of base? Huh? What do you mean by base of an isosceles triangle? Sachi, in 5 minutes I am telling same thing only then. Did you hear? What is the base of an isosceles triangle? Do you know? Then tell.
The angle opposite to equal sides. No. Clearly, side.
What do you mean by base of an isosceles triangle?
The
Unequal side. In this figure, which is the base of the isosceles triangle? AC. Understood now? Are you followed? Which is the base means? The unequal side. Two sides are equal. The third side is called the base. Okay? This means all of you followed. First theorem, theorem 1. By the way, have you seen what the introduction it is given? That's why she is reading and telling. These I thought from when she told her. I knew it.
The chapter has been done in our school.
Done?
No, sir. In our class, it is done. It just started. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Understood or not? Okay. Big triangle. Theorem 1. If two sides of a triangle are equal.
Yeah, right.
Yes, theorem 1. If two sides of a triangle are equal. What is this? Two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. Two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. Written.
So, no way.
Okay,
Yes.
should I repeat?
No.
Second theorem. Theorem 2. If two angles of a triangle are equal,
Two sides of
two angles of a triangle are equal,
sides of
two angles of a triangle are equal, then the sides opposite to them are also equal. Then why between you talking? If two angles of a triangle are equal,
the sides.
then the sides opposite to them are also equal. Sure. Are you followed, all of you? What is the meaning?
Yes.
If you want to prove, I can do various proofs. Listen. How to prove means this proof is theorems, proofs are generally given from in your exam. Let me stop because first statement is what?
Two sides of triangle are
If
equal.
two sides, what is given?
AB is
AB is equal to
equal.
BAC. What to prove?
Angle B is
Angle B is equal to A. How to prove means I can draw a construction, I draw a perpendicular. Can you prove these two triangles are congruent? How do you prove? Snehal, what happened? SSS. Those who got SS, those who got proving congruence, listen, look at here and tell. Yes, tell me how did you get SAS? Tell now. Are which side? Which side?
And side A, B, side AC, and
Side AB is equal. Tell now. That is the way telling. That's the way of proving. AB is equal to AC.
And B is common.
Hey, wait now. Then
AD. And AD.
others be all 10 people together telling. Let him tell. Others be close him out. Let him tell.
side AB is equal to side AC.
Okay, one.
And angle D common.
Which side? Where is common? Do you know which are the Arey,
Triangle AD.
take you out of the class. Okay now. Now tell now. What do you have to tell? Let me hear. You so you not allow others to speak. You not tell now.
Sorry.
And tell now what is it? He cannot tell. Now you tell.
AB is equals to AC.
Oh. Oh.
AD is equals to AB. It's common.
Okay. Over. Everyone combined, everyone. When I ask someone, nobody knows. Yes.
AB is equals to AC.
Hmm.
AD is equals to AD common.
Hmm.
And angle BDA is equals to angle CDA.
Hmm. Listen.
9A perpendicular.
Listen, all others be quiet. Listen, there one child is telling me the others be quiet. I'm asking everyone now. Huh? Is there any ASS congruence here? Is there any ASS congruence here?
Okay, then
No.
we'll do. RHS.
Yes, ASS, new congruence is coming. These two triangles are right triangles. And hypotenuse and a side. By RHS, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, by CPCTC, angle B and angle C are equal. Are you followed? Yes or no? That is a ASS. You made a new ASS. You know what is ASS? ASS. Okay. Huh?
Can we have instead of equal corresponding in case if we have yeah, 10. Right? Just
Corresponding angles.
yeah.
CPCTC. That's it. Okay. Triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. Therefore, angle B and angle C are followed now. That is the first part. Second theorem, what will be written?
If the two angles of a triangle are equal, the side opposite to them are also equal.
What is given over here?
Angle B is equal.
Angle B is equal to angle C. What do we have to prove? AB is equal to AC. Construction analysis. AD perpendicular to BC. Prove these two triangles are congruent. Those who know, raise the hand. Combined work I don't need. Your hand is up. Anyone's look, don't actually everyone is looking into the volume. It's very simple. Angle B and that you have wanted to tell. I asked everyone raise their hand. Nobody is raising their hand.
So
Ah.
AD equals to ABC are common.
Are common. ADB and ADC are common. Are ADB is this side, ADC is this side.
Perpendicular.
Listen now. Listen carefully. That's why last chapter's congruence, all of you know. Everyone says, sir, oh, today also has. Now look. We have to prove each other two triangles. Yeah, okay now. No. Triangle ADB and triangle ADC. First is, look at here. Angle ADB and angle ADC are equal. Both are 90 degrees. Why no? It's marked over here. You know what is the meaning of this? Do you know what is the meaning of this marking? What is the meaning? Now, so if this is 90, automatically this also is 90. Okay, one side marked enough. So ADB is equal to ADC. Angle B and angle C are equal. Reason given. AD is equal to AD, common. This is the way to tell the steps. Therefore, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC by
ASA.
where where is your RHS? Do you know how many pair of angles we proved equal? Snehal, so you are giving the answer to her or you are listening here? So two pair of angles you got equal. So can you apply RHS? Can you apply SAS? Yes, two angles means SAS. SAS contains two angles. Can you apply SSS? No. So things like that. It should be either AS or ASA. So two angles. If it is AS means this should be equal. Sorry, ASA means not this one. So it is AAS. Are you following how to identify it? One angle equal to one angle, second angle is equal to second angle. This is the side. Therefore, two angles and one side AAS. Therefore, CPCT, AP and AC are equal. Are you following this condition? Angle sum property, all of you know.
Yes.
Of a triangle. So,
180.
180. These two properties are followed. What is an isosceles triangle followed? Also, we said all equal. Run away. All equilateral triangles are isosceles triangles. Okay. So exercise 10.1 is taken. Some of the questions are very simple to do. Angle sum properties only you have to do. Okay. Yeah. All of you taken exercise 10.1. Yeah. First question. Yes. Sachi read.
Calculate angle ABC and in AS.
Figure it is given. In that figure, what all things are given?
Reading exterior.
Yeah. Have you seen the figure? Should I draw the figure?
Yes. No, no,
One said yes, one said no.
yes.
Who said yes?
Me.
Me, who said me?
Tanya.
Tanya. The figure is there now. Exactly the one.
That big.
That makes a big figure. So, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this joining it is the D, and the equal parts are marked 1, 2, 3. These are equal now marked. Yes or no? And this sum is this is E, and what is this angle?
100.
130 degree. Now, what do you have? Okay. You cannot draw the figure in your book now. I have to draw and show. What do you what? Huh? Angle A, ADC. This is one. Then what is second one?
Second one is
ABC.
and BAC.
Huh? Today, throughout, both are sitting and talking. And next class, I will not allow you. Both of you, I'll send you out from the class. Yes, you wanted to explain? You want to explain?
Yes.
As a tell.
Sir, angle DCA is equal to 50 degree.
Angle DCA is equal to 50 degree. Reason.
And reason linear pair.
Linear pair, very good.
Angle DSC is equal to 50 degree.
DAC is equal to 50 degree. Reason.
Because
DC and DA are equal, therefore this is 50. Very good.
and angle ADC is equal to 80 degree.
Reason.
Because
Angle sum
property. Is
Yes. Next. It's not at all.
then angle ABC,
Hmm.
sorry, BAC
Hmm.
is equal to
100 is equal to 100 degrees.
This is how much?
100.
100. Now you have to get this one. If I take this as x, this also will be x now. X plus 100 is x plus 100 is equal to 180.
40.
Therefore, 2x equal to 80, x equal to 40. Are we followed, all of you? What you not followed? 50-50 and all that. And this is 130, therefore this is 50 that you followed. Sum is 180.
Okay.
So if it is 50 means these two sides are equal, therefore these two angles are equal.
Got it.
See, property we are listening. See, she is listening. You know, followed now?
So the explainer.
Can you explain? And she explain to her. Explain to her. Explain loudly. Are they explain now? His painting is going on.
No.
Then what? Are they explain to her?